Hello everyone. Today we will solve the numericals on force exerted by jet on moving curved vane when jet strikes the curved plate at the center. Let us go through the question. A jet of water of diameter 7.5 cm strikes a curved plate at its center with a velocity of 20 meter per second. The curved plate is moving with a velocity of 8 meter per second in the direction of jet. The jet is deflected through an angle of 165 degree. Assuming the plate to be smooth, find first one force exerted on the plate in the direction of jet, second one power of jet, and the third one is efficiency of jet. So let us write the given datas first by going through the question given. So initially they have given the diameter of jet is equal to 7.5 centimeter. So that is d is equal to 7.5 centimeter is equal to 0.075 meter. So let us, by knowing the diameter we can calculate area of jet. So area is equal to pi by 4 into d square. So that is equal to pi by 4 into 0.075 square. So that is area will be equal to 0.00417 meter square. So next what is given? So here this jet is striking the curved plate at the center with a velocity of 20 meter per second. That is nothing but velocity of jet v is equal to 20 meter per second. Now the curved plate is moving with a velocity of 8 meter per second. So that is nothing but velocity of plate. So velocity of curved plate, so that is, we'll take it as u is equal to 8 meter per second. So the jet is deflected through an angle of 165 degree. So what is this 165 degree? So that is nothing but this angle. So you can see the jet is striking this curved plate at the center, and now the jet will move in this direction. So it will get deflected by an angle of phi. So whatever the angle 165 degree is given, that is nothing but angle phi. So we need actually is theta. So we can calculate theta, that is nothing but entire angle will be 180. So we know phi is equal to 165 degree. So then we can calculate theta. So theta is equal to 180 minus phi. So that will be the answer. So in the question they have given phi is equal to 165 degree. Therefore theta is equal to 180 minus 165. So that is equal to 15 degree. So what we have to calculate is the first one is a force exerted on the plate in the direction of jet. That is nothing but we have to calculate Fx force exerted in the direction of jet. So that is nothing but Fx. So the formula for Fx for the curved moving plate is nothing but rho into a into v minus u whole square into 1 plus cos theta. So if you substitute this formula values, so 1000 into area is 0.004417 into V is nothing but 20, U is nothing but 8 into 1 plus cos of 15 degree. So if you substitute the value and if you solve it, you will get Fx is equal to 1250.38 Newton. So this is the first question to calculate the value of Fx. So second thing you have to go with is power of the jet. Second one is so power is equal to, you can calculate it as Fx into U divided by 1000. So Fx into U is nothing but work done. So Fx is 1250.38 into U is velocity of plate, so that is 8 divided by 1000, so that is nothing but 10.003 kilowatt. So third question, whatever they ask in the question is efficiency. So efficiency can be calculated using formula. Efficiency is nothing but output of jet per second divided by input of jet per second. So output of jet per second is nothing but Fx work done, so that is nothing but Fx into U. Input of jet per second is nothing but kinetic energy, so that is half into mass per second rho into A into V into V square, so that is into V square. So if you substitute the values, Fx is 1250.38 into 8 divided by half into 1000, half into 1000 into area is 0.004417 into velocity is velocity of plate 20 into 20 square. If you solve it, you will get efficiency is equal to 56.4%.